Living in yesteryear, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, living in yesteryear. This phrase is packed with meaning and is often used to describe a certain mindset or way of life. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and grasp the nuances of this expression, you're in the right place. Living in yesteryear refers to a person who is stuck in the past, often reminiscing about the good old days and struggling to accept or adapt to the present. It's not just about remembering the past fondly. It's when someone is so focused on what was, that they have difficulty engaging with what is. This phrase can be used in both a negative and a somewhat nostalgic context. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. A person who constantly compares today's music unfavorably to the hits of the 60s and 70s might be living in yesteryear. Someone who refuses to use modern technology because they prefer the way things were done in the past is also living in yesteryear. These examples show how the phrase can describe both a harmless fondness for the past and a more problematic refusal to accept current realities. People might find themselves living in yesteryear for various reasons. Sometimes, it's due to nostalgia and the comfort found in past memories. For others, it might be a resistance to change or a feeling that the past was somehow better or simpler. Understanding these motivations can help us empathize with those who view the past through rose-colored glasses. Now, let's practice using this phrase. Despite the advancements in digital technology, Mark is still living in yesteryear, insisting on using his old typewriter for all his writing. The documentary highlighted how certain communities are living in yesteryear, preserving traditions and lifestyles from decades ago. Using this phrase in sentences like these can add depth to your conversations and writing, illustrating a complex relationship with the past. Thank you for joining me to explore the meaning and use of living in yesteryear. I hope this video has enriched your understanding of this expressive phrase and its application in everyday language. Remember, while it's important to cherish our memories, embracing the present is key to moving forward. See you in our next video, where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language.